Welcome to DeepMind AI. Today I'm so excited to tell you one of the most amazing feature of AI in which we can convert text to voice. Yes, I mean text to voice with AI. In order to generate text to voice, we have to go to the site 11labs.com. Just click on that and you can click on sign up and you can log in with your Google account. Okay. In order to generate voice from text, we have to click on speech. We will have two options, and if we are generating text to speech, we have to check this box. And now, if we click on setting, we will have more than 29 languages. So we have to select the language which we want. So I'll go with English. If we click here, we will have a bunch of voices. We can see Brian, Chris, Adam. So I'll go with Chris. So in order to activate Chris voice, I have to double click here. And in order to generate voice, we need to insert text. So I have this text. I want AI to generate voice for this text. So I just click here on generate. Less than 10 seconds, my voice will be ready. And you can see, and my voice is ready. In right corner, I'll see here download option. I just click here. And now my final voice is ready. Now we will go ahead and listen how amazing is our final product from text to voice with AI.
You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Spread love everywhere you go. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
That's all. Thank you so much for watching DeepMind AI. Please subscribe our channel